Okay, so we have our next new topic in arithmetic, and that is multiplying with two-digit factors. So you know how to multiply with a 2-digit and a 1-digit, but today we're going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, and there's a couple extra steps. Okay, so the very first step that you're going to do is you're going to multiply. If we ignored this 1 was there, you know that you would multiply 2 times 4 and then 2 times 2 to get your answer. So the first step you already know how to do. You've been doing that for months since we've been in school. Okay, so we're going to do the first step. We have 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so that's the first step. You know how to do that. But now we have this 1 here, and we have to figure out what to do with this 1. Okay, so here's your answer. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put a 0 in the ones place. You're going to do this every single time. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to multiply your number that's in the tens spot. You're going to multiply it by the 4, just like you did your other side. Okay, so we have 1 times 4 is 4. Then we have 1 times 2 is 2. Now, for our last step, we need to add to get our final answer. So now we're going to add all together. 8 plus 0 is 8. Whoops. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. So our answer of 24 times 12 is 288. That was the sample that was at the top of your page. Now we're going to work 2 of them together to help you. Okay, so let's take a look here. So the first one is number 1. We have 31 times 14. So remember, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our number in the 1 spot and we're going to multiply it by both digits. 4 times 1 is 4. We always go this direction. 4 times 3 is 12. Now remember, think about what you have to do next. You have to do every time. And some of you, you're going to forget to do this and then your number is going to be wrong. You must remember to put this 0 here. Every single time when you go on to that second level, you need that 0. Okay, so now we're going to take our number in the tens place and we're going to multiply the same direction. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, do you remember our last step? We have to add to get our answer. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So our final answer is 434. Let's take a look at letter B in section 1. Okay, so here we have 21 times 12. So we're going to multiply first like we already know how to do. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, do what the next step is. Okay, if you put a 0, give yourself a pat on the back. We remembered your 0. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at our number that's in the tens place. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. What's our next step? Say it out. Add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. So our answer is 252 for 21 times 12. Okay, I hope that helps, guys. Again, if you need help, just let me know.